Today, we're making the healthy version of a traditional chocolate cake for all my chocolate cake or dessert lovers. Let's get started. We'll need 1 cup almond flour, half cup olive oil. I sometimes use 1/3 cup. It really doesn't matter. 1/4 cup cocoa powder unsweetened, half a cup chocolate chip. I usually use dark chocolate chip, about 70 to 90% dark. 2 tablespoons vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 4 large eggs. When you use the unsweetened dark chocolate, you can include about half a teaspoon of stevia or more, depending on how sweet you want your cake to taste. For me, half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon is usually more than enough. We'll begin by mixing all our dry ingredients in a bowl. We'll then add our wet ingredients. You don't have to mix your wet ingredients separately to do this. You can simply just pour in all your wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix. Ensure that all ingredients are incorporated by mixing thoroughly. The mixture should have an even consistency without any lumps. When done, pour in your vanilla extract and your semi-sweet dark chocolate chips. If you're using the unsweetened chocolate chips, don't forget to include stevia.
It's okay to be sad because it's really bad. Whoa, whoa, wow,
Spray some olive oil into your pan to avoid your cake from sticking when cooked. You can either pop this into the oven for about 6 to 7 minutes or until you put a toothpick or a stick through it and it comes out clean, or you could put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. It really doesn't matter. It will cook just fine. I usually prefer doing it in the microwave because it's faster. But sometimes when I do have the time, I do use the oven. Once it is done, it would have this cake look and texture. When you look at the bottom and it has the air pockets and not the fluid texture, you know that it is well cooked. That is, if you're using a Pyrex bowl like I am and you have a transparent bottom. Once that is done, Take it out of the microwave or the oven, let it cool for a few minutes, and simply shake it out of the pan. I usually do not let mine cool that well, but today it came out just fine.
because it's really bad. Whoa.
Once you're done, cut it up, serve, and enjoy. This cake is fluffy, it is tasty, it saved me many times from actually eating the traditional sugary, high carb chocolate cake. Would you look at that? Look at the texture of that cake. Look how fluffy it is. It is not only fluffy and soft, but it is also very tasty. And I use this to curb my urge for chocolates or anything chocolatey because I'm a chocolate fan. So, for all the chocolate lovers out there, I hope this helps you curb your chocolate and dessert cravings. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share to anyone who you think may need it, and if you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. And for those who have been riding with me, thank you. And until next time, remember to be beautiful, be bold, be true to yourself and to others. Stay healthy and always be you.
Always work together.